Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. We'll explore an easy guide to master these essential values. Knowing the sine, cosine, and tangent for angles like 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees is crucial for many areas of study. This guide will provide you with simple methods to remember these ratios, making your learning journey much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's dive in and simplify trigonometry together. Let's start with a fantastic hand trick for sine values. Hold your left hand with your palm facing you. Your pinky is 0 degrees, ring finger is 30, middle finger is 45, index finger is 60, and thumb is 90 degrees. To find the sine of an angle, count the number of fingers below that angle. Take the square root of that number and divide by 2. For instance, for 30 degrees, there is 1 finger below, so sine of 30 is the square root of 1 divided by 2, which is 1/2. Now let's extend our hand trick to cosine. For cosine, you count the number of fingers above your chosen angle. Again, take the square root of that number and divide by 2. For example, for 60 degrees, there is 1 finger above, so cosine of 60 is 1/2. To find the tangent of an angle, simply divide its sine value by its cosine value. This relationship makes calculating tangent straightforward once you know sine and cosine. Consistent practice is key to mastering these trigonometric ratios. Try creating your own table and filling in the sine, cosine, and tangent values for 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees using the hand trick. This active recall will significantly improve your memory. Once you're comfortable, apply these ratios to solve various problems involving right-angled triangles. With a little effort, you'll find these specific angle ratios become second nature, opening doors to more complex mathematical concepts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.